Are you interested in growing your own vegetables but worried about limited space? Well, here is a simple solution. Start with leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, methi, coriander, lettuce are perfect for small spaces. They require minimal space and can be grown in containers or even on windowsill. Leafy greens are the ideal veggies to grow. They are the easiest and fastest growing vegetables that you can enjoy throughout the year. From sowing seed to fresh produce on your dining table, the entire process takes just 40 to 50 days. They are also packed with nutrients and can be grown in various climates, making them great starting point for gardeners of all levels. So today I will be showing you how to grow methi right here on your balcony. It's wonderful veggie to have at your fingertips for culinary and medicinal purposes. So let's get started. The first step is to obtain some high quality methi seeds. You can easily find them at your local nursery or you can buy methi seeds from the grocery store. To increase the germination rate, soak the seeds overnight by placing them in cup filled with room temperature water. Next, grab pot at least 6 to 8 inches deep with drainage holes. I am using this rectangular pot to get maximum harvest at one time. A suitable potting mixture for growing methi in pot consists of equal part of garden soil and compost, with the addition of biofungicide to protect the crop from soil-borne diseases. Here I am using neem cake powder. Now sprinkle the methi seeds evenly across the surface of the soil. And then gently cover them with thin layer of soil or compost. Water the pot thoroughly but avoid overwatering. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Methi is fast growing herb and you will start seeing sprouts within 3 to 5 days. Ensure the pot receives adequate sunlight. At this stage, ensure that the soil is evenly moist. Any excess water should quickly drain away. Do not overwater the plants. At this stage, be careful because there are high chances of wilting of your young seedlings, which is commonly known as damping off. It is a major issue in growing methi. Damping off in methi usually occurs at the early stage, particularly during the germination or when the seedlings are young and tender. It is typically caused by overwatering, poor drainage, and high humidity, creating favorable conditions for fungal pathogens. So proper watering, good airflow, good sunlight, and well-draining soil can help prevent damping off. Methi plants require at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight per day to grow well on balcony. Insufficient sunlight can lead to leggy growth and lower leaf production. To promote healthy growth, it's a good idea to fertilize your methi plants every 2 to 3 weeks. You can use organic fertilizer like compost or balanced liquid fertilizer. Methi grow well in warm climate when temperature ranges from 15 to 30 degrees Celsius, but you can plant these leafy greens any time of the year. Once the methi plants have reached height of about 3 to 4 inches, you can start harvesting the leaves. It can be harvested within 30 to 40 days after sowing, depending on the specific variety and growing conditions. Generally, there are two types of methis. One is tall growing and second is dwarf. This one is dwarf variety. Growing methi on your balcony is rewarding experience. You can use these fresh leaves in variety of dishes. So give it a try and enjoy the benefits of having your own homegrown methi. and doesn't let limited space hold you back from enjoying the fresh taste of homegrown vegetables. Start with these leafy greens. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.